guys!
Hey.
So yesterday we arrived here at my parents' cottage. This is in southern Finland and we're gonna spend here the next couple of days.
Yeah, so come along with us and let's have a look around.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard.
We are on our way for a little cross-country skiing sesh. Or I guess somewhere over there to those islands, I reckon. Let's see where the wind will take us. Right?
Yes. So let's take the skis and let's keep going.
Amelia is very excited. There's a little ice hockey field over here. We might go there later for a little sesh.
So the best thing about skiing on the ice is just you can make your own tracks with
this ice hole over here. So people must have been fishing here. And we also found some leftovers. Very crunchy.
So I guess we won't be hungry tonight because we'll get some dinner! Ew.
To finish the day, we will prepare sauna and we're gonna make an ice hole just right next to us over here. Come have a look.